Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? Today's session, guys, this one most important session, especially for SBI Clerk 2021 aspirants. So we start the session, guys. So first most important question, this one. What is that? RBI keeps guys policy rates unchanged. Okay. And cuts financial year 22 GDP growth forecast to 9.5%. So this is the most important question. Most of the examination they ask the forecast, guys, GDP forecast they definitely ask. So RBI GDP growth forecast to 9.5%, guys. This most important question we will remember. You remember this question, okay? We will discuss, guys, what is the policy rates in next slide. Okay, we go for next slide. You see, guys, Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India having taken stock of the evolving macroeconomics and financial condition as well as impact of the second wave of the pandemic on Friday voted unanimously maintain status quo, keeping the policy rate unchanged at 4%. Okay, repo rate, guys. Actually, what is this monetary policy, guys? Why RBI doing monetary policy bi-monthly means? Actually, what is the meaning of monetary policy means? Inflation, right? Inflation means supply and demand ratio. Okay, so every RBI doing monetary policy especially for controlling the inflation, guys, to reduce the price, reduce the price. So for that RBI every bi-monthly they changing rates, guys. What is the rates? CRR and SLR. CRR means cash reserve ratio. Okay, SLR means statutory liquid ratio. Okay, and repo rate and reverse repo rate and MSF, guys, marginal standing facility. Here you see MSF there, and bank rate also there. I will explain each and point, guys, clearly you can understand. Okay, what is the meaning of CRR? CRR means cash reserve ratio, guys. Why CRR maintain 4% means? Actually, every bank maintain NDTL means NDTL, right? NDTL means net demand time liabilities. Okay, so in that NDTL, for in that NDTL 4% should be keep with RBI case for CRR. Okay, what is the meaning of SLR means? SLR is of 18%, guys. What present ratio, present percentage is 18% SLR. SLR means statutory liquid ratio. Okay, is SLR in the form of gold and securities, guys. Okay, should be keep with RBI only. Okay, this is a SLR, guys. And what is the meaning of MSF? MSF, before MSF I'm going to explain this repo rate, guys. Repo rate means RBI given loans to banks, guys. Whenever the banks needs amount, right, for they extending their loan portfolio, for that bank required amount, right, for that condition RBI given loan to banks, guys. For that RBI charges interest rate, right? The interest rate is 4%. Okay, understand? So RBI given loan to banks, that rate called repo rate. The rate is 4%. Okay, what is the reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate means here reverse repo rate is 3.35, guys. This is a June month rates, this one. So reverse repo rate means whenever the bank has surplus amount, right, that surplus amount to deposit into RBI. So RBI given some interest rate, right? So that is a rate 3.35. Simply, guys, we have money means we will go to bank, so we will deposit the amount, right? So bank given interest rate for us. Same thing applicable in between RBI and banks, guys. You usually understand. Okay, here repo rate means RBI given loan to bank. That is a repo rate. Reverse repo rate means bank deposit the amount to RBI. That is a reverse repo rate. Okay, what is the meaning of marginal standing facility? MSF means overnight borrowing from RBI, guys. This is called call money. Okay, whenever the needy condition, banks need amount, guys, for maintaining that portfolio, right? For that in immediate basis, banks borrowing money from RBI, guys. That is called MSF. This is a overnight, means one day only. Okay, what is the bank rate? Bank rate and MSF is both same, guys, 4.25%. But bank rate means is a long term loan, guys, not for a single day. Is a long term, more than 6 months. Okay, more than 6 months for this bank rate, guys. MSM is overnight, only one day. This is called call money. This is the rates, guys. You understand, right? What is the CRR, cash reserve ratio? What is the present CRR rate is 4%. What is the SLR, statutory liquid ratio, in the form of securities and gold? Okay, that is interest rate is 18%. Okay, what is the reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate means banks deposited excess amount with RBI. So RBI given interest rate, that is rate 3.35%. Okay. What is a MSF? MSF means overnight borrowing from RBI. What is a MSF rate? 4.25%. So what is a bank rate? Bank rate means it is a long term, same procedure guys, long term means above 6 months or 1 year like that. So what is the rate? 4.25%. This is a monetary policy rate. This is the most important questions guys. In that four rates, maybe one or two questions will be will be there in SBI clerk exam guys. So we go for next slide. You you see guys, El Salvador become the first country to adopt the Bitcoin. What is a Bitcoin guys? It's a Bitcoin means it's a digital currency guys. Easily it will change only digital money only in the form of digital cash. So this is the first country guys. Legal tender. Okay. The most important question this one. You note down this one. Okay. We go for next. So here you see guys, finance minister, right? So Union Finance Minister Sitharaman chaired the 43rd Goods and Service Tax Council meeting on May 28, the top decision making body meeting for the first time over the 7 months. This is after due to the COVID-19 the meeting is not happened guys. So this is a 43rd Goods and Service Tax meeting conducted. This is most important meeting guys. Here only this meeting only the government of India decide the GST rates. Okay. We will go for next slide. You see guys, central government expenditure on purchase of COVID vaccine. You almost 100% question again. This one it should be 100% question. You note down guys. This is the most important question. You see here the central government expenditure on purchasing of COVID vaccine could rise to as much as 50,000 crore. Has against the budgetary 35 crore. Okay. Once you can observe guys here in the budget actually government of India mentioned 35,000 crores only. But yesterday only Narendra, our Prime Minister announced that increment of this amount guys. So how much amount? 35,000 to 50,000 crore is a most important question guys. So the question in examination will ask how much amount increase from 35,000 to how much amount increase. That the answer is 50,000 crores guys. The most important you note down. Okay. And another one thing is the extension of the free food grain scheme that covers about 80 crores people. Okay. Another 1 lakh crore for this expenditure for guys food grains they providing government of India for 80 crores people. For this expenditure 1 lakh crore, the additional spending nearly 1.15 crore guys could widen the fiscal deficit for the year, experts said. Okay. This is most important question guys. Note down this one. Next question. You see guys, continuing its upward trend, the goods and service tax collection for the month of May crossed the 1 lakh crores guys. So every item we will purchase mean we are paying GST, right? So for this month guys, May month crossed 1 lakh crore guys. Once again, okay, the gross GST revenue stood at 2,709 crore, out of which CGST means what my guys, central GST guys. Okay, 592 crores guys, and SGST means state GST guys, 22,653 crores. The revenue for the month of May 2021 are 65% higher than the GST revenue of the same month last year guys. Okay, from compared to last year the GST for collection increased to 65% guys. The most important question. So in examination I ask how much in month of May how much GST collection. So answer is 1 lakh crore guys. You go for next question. Okay. You see guys, the Reserve Bank of India on Friday said the huge jump in surplus funds transferred to central government was purely an accounting issue and not related to any policy change, as there was lower risk capital provisioning due to the slower expansion of its balance sheet is last fiscal guys. Ever since RBI announced the transfer of most important question guys, this one 99,192 crores surplus funds to the government for the 9th month period ended March 2020. In examination we will ask guys, in March 2021 how much RBI transferred to government of India. The answer is 99,122 crores. This answer is guys most important. Note down. This most 100% guarantee guys. This one questions. Okay, we will go for next question. Okay, you see guys, India foreign exchange reserves rose to record 600 billion. Although the central bank does not plan to